You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
The popular Nollywood actress Funke Akindele and her husband DJ Skills. The popular Nollywood actress Funke Akindele and her husband DJ Skills were arrested for throwing a birthday party at their apartment at Amen Estate on the 4th of April 2020, which hosted several celebrities such as Naira Marley and the likes, and this made Yul Edochie and other Nollywood actors to react. A Nollywood actor, Yul Edochie, reacts by saying he's tired of this country, Nigeria, for not obeying simple rules, yet crucifying those that did their best but made little mistakes. And also, Nollywood popular actor took to his Instagram page to plead on the behalf of his fellow colleagues, saying, yes, nobody is above the law also, nobody is above mistakes. Then he urged fellow Nigerians who literally made sure Funke was brought to go to use the same energy to take other illness of the society, adding that after all he then said, who God has blessed, no man can curse. Nollywood actress Mercy Aigbe also took to her Instagram page to plead on behalf of Funke Akindele and her husband DJ Skills over the arrest, saying, Nollywood actress Adunni Ade, a friend in the industry, also took to her Instagram page to plead on her behalf, saying, Nollywood actress Eniola Badmus also broke the silence over her bosom friend arrest, as she then took to her Instagram page to announce that her heart is broken. Iyabo Ojo also gave her view over the arrest of her friend in the industry, and she also took to her Instagram page saying what Funke did was wrong, but the government and everyone needs to realize that no one is perfect.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. Thanks.